For the next 30 days, you're going to eat just one apple every single day, and what happens inside your body will shock you. Because the changes don't just happen on the outside, they begin deep inside your cells, your gut, your liver, and even your brain. Most people think an apple is just a fruit, but inside it is a biochemical toolkit loaded with fiber, pectin, flavonoids, antioxidants, and water-binding molecules that begin changing your system from the very first bite. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly what happens in your body on day 1, week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4, and finally the life-changing 30-day transformation inside and out. This may become the simplest challenge that completely resets your body from the inside. Before day 1, your body may be dealing with common issues: sluggish digestion, irregular bowel movement, unstable energy, sugar cravings, mild inflammation, dull skin tone, and heavy gut feeling after meals. Your gut bacteria may be imbalanced, your liver slightly overburdened, your metabolism slow, and your cells dehydrated. Your blood sugar may rise and fall throughout the day, causing tiredness. This is your baseline, and the Apple Challenge is about to reverse all of it. During the first week, your gut begins a gentle cleansing transformation. Daily apple fiber sweeps through your intestines like a soft brush, removing old waste and reducing bloating. Your liver starts working more efficiently because apple antioxidants ease inflammation and help detox pathways. Blood sugar becomes stable throughout the day, eliminating sudden cravings. Your skin may look slightly fresher because hydration improves and oxidative stress decreases. Inside your blood vessels, flavonoids start relaxing artery walls, improving circulation. You may feel lighter, more energetic, and more regular in digestion. By week 2, internal repair accelerates. Your gut microbiome becomes more balanced as friendly bacteria multiply using apple pectin as food. Inflammation begins dropping significantly, especially in joints, muscles, and digestive tissues. Cholesterol levels start improving because apples pull LDL particles out of your bloodstream. Your metabolism increases slightly as your liver works more efficiently. Energy becomes more consistent, and afternoon tiredness fades. Your skin's collagen protection increases due to vitamin C and quercetin inside apples. You may notice your face looking clearer, less puffy, and more hydrated. This is where the real magic begins. By week 3, your body enters a cellular improvement mode. Mitochondria, your energy factories, use apple antioxidants to reduce oxidative load, improving ATP production. This means better stamina, better focus, and sharper mental clarity. Your liver begins releasing trapped fat thanks to the constant support from apple pectin. Your intestines operate smoothly, with no heaviness after meals. Hunger cycles become balanced because apples slow sugar absorption. Blood flow to your brain improves, supporting sharper memory. Your immune system becomes stronger because quercetin reduces inflammation at the cellular level. You feel lighter, clearer, and more active internally. During the final week, your body enters a peak efficiency mode. Cholesterol balance improves significantly. Gut bacteria become stable and robust. Your liver functions at a cleaner baseline. Skin begins glowing due to better hydration and reduced inflammation. Your blood vessels become more flexible. Body toxins decrease, leading to mental lightness and calmness. The combination of fiber, antioxidants, potassium, and vitamin C creates a harmony inside your body. Digestion becomes nearly perfect, bloating stays gone, and your energy remains stable from morning to night. This is the internal reset phase. After completing the full 30 days, the internal transformation is clear. Your gut is cleaned, lighter, and functioning smoothly. Your liver operates more efficiently with fewer toxins. Your blood sugar remains stable, reducing cravings. Your cholesterol levels improve thanks to consistent pectin action. Your skin glows because oxidative stress has dropped. Your immunity strengthens due to quercetin and vitamin C. Your energy becomes steady and predictable throughout the day. Your focus improves because your brain receives consistent glucose without spikes. Your heart benefits from improved artery relaxation and cleaner blood flow. And your overall inflammation level decreases significantly. You now feel lighter, healthier, more focused, and internally renewed, all from just one apple a day for 30 days. This isn't magic, it's chemistry inside your body. A single apple every day triggers fiber reactions, gut cleansing, antioxidant protection, liver support, and stable blood sugar all at the same time. This 30-day apple challenge is one of the simplest transformations anyone can start, and your body will thank you every single day. Before starting the challenge, your body was operating in a stressed, unbalanced state, even if you didn't notice. Internally, your gut might have been sluggish, with old waste sitting in the intestines and irregular bowel movements. Your liver was processing daily toxins without much nutritional support, making metabolism slower. Your blood sugar rose and dropped through the day, causing sudden hunger, cravings, and tiredness. Your arteries carried thicker, more inflammatory blood due to oxidative stress. Your immune system was active but not efficient, often dealing with low-grade inflammation. Your skin looked dull or less hydrated because your cells lacked antioxidant protection. Your energy came in waves instead of being stable. Inside your body, there was heaviness, inflammation, and metabolic sluggishness, even if you felt normal. After 30 days of eating one apple every single day, the internal picture of your body becomes completely different. Your gut is now clean, lighter, and actively supported by stable, healthy bacteria. Digestion becomes smoother, faster, and easier. Your liver works at a higher efficiency because apple pectin continuously removes toxins and cholesterol. Your blood becomes cleaner, smoother, and less inflammatory thanks to antioxidants like quercetin. Blood sugar stays balanced throughout the day, helping you avoid cravings and afternoon tiredness. Your arteries relax and open better, improving circulation to your brain, heart, and muscles. Your skin looks brighter and more hydrated because oxidative stress drops significantly. Your energy is stable and consistent, no more spikes and crashes. Your immune system is stronger and faster because inflammation is reduced at the cellular level. Overall, your body becomes lighter, cleaner, calmer, and more efficient inside.